Okay, well, we ran out of memory, but I almost got it. I just had to write down the rest of these terms, noting that RS minus SR gives us 0. We're just left with these three terms here. This one being invisible, if you look at it, if you want. Okay, so here we have it. And this is the form A lambda squared plus B lambda plus C equals 0, the form of a quadratic. So we have a quadratic equation for lambda, and this is called the characteristic equation. For the matrix R minus lambda, 1 minus S, 1 minus R, S minus lambda. Okay? And the solutions are the eigenvalues. Of the matrix. Okay? And it's easy to write down the solutions. Everybody did that when I had numbers up here. And you wrote down the matrix, you factored it, or used the quadratic form and got the solutions, right? Now, if this was a 1,000 by 1,000 matrix, you would just put that minus lambda on every element on the main diagonal and calculate the determinant. And that would give you a polynomial. You'd have 1,000 lambdas in here. So you would have a lambda to the 1,000th, and then you'd have lambda to the 999th and so forth. Then all you'd have to do is factor that matrix or that characteristic equation, and you'd get the eigenvalues, right? And y'all are good at factoring. You can factor 1,000 by 1,000 matrix, or 1,000 degree polynomial. Right. Okay. Pretty much nobody can do that, but a computer can. And if it can't factor it, it can get the result to as much precision as you want and write out the spectrum, write out, just write a number line and show all the eigenvalues, okay? And they'll have the same characteristic distribution as the energy levels of that uranium nucleus, that extraordinarily complicated thing, okay? And I also mentioned that the internet also, the connections or something, I haven't worked out exactly what aspect of the internet, it was just mentioned, but there are aspects of the internet that exhibit the same pattern, things throughout mathematics, physics, psychology, sociology, okay. That pattern keeps recurring and nobody knows why. So as I said before, keep working on it, okay? Nobody's got it yet, have you? Nobody in the world's figured it out, so be the first. Okay.